Okay, it's Hubsan Zino update day. It's Saturday, March 9th. On Tuesday of last week, they released all the updates, the firmware, the gimbal, the flight control, the camera updates for the Zino. So what you want to do is you want to go to Hubsan's webpage and go over to the support tab and then go down to Zino and hit that firmware update button. You must do this on a Windows-based computer. You can't do these updates on a Mac. So that's step one.
Oh, this is Ron here today. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. I believe it's March 9th. I have the Hubsan Zino out, the landing pad. I have the controller here. I did some of the firmware updates. I updated the flight controller and the gimbal control. I will put the exact, firmware update numbers on the screen here. I don't remember them off the top of my head, but I will include them overlay on the screen. So I haven't done the video, portion of the updates yet. I'm going to hold off and see how I make out with these. I'm taking the advice of Chris, the QC guy, big man, knows a lot about Hubsan, so we're going to follow his advice here and just do a few things at a time so we can, if we have to troubleshoot anything, we know what update calls. So again, it's probably 50 degrees here, 6 mile per hour wind, which isn't bad for New Jersey. So we're going to see if the flight controller update improves the handling capabilities of the Zino. And a spoiler alert, I've already played with the gimbal inside, and it's nice that you can control the gimbal tilt pitch speed. So we'll see if we can get some smoother things here. So here we go. I've already done the compass calibration, the horizontal calibration, the gimbal calibration. I've done all the calibrations already, so I didn't waste your time on the video. So let's see how we do here. All right, she's taking off now. Let's see if she holds her altitude or she dips back down again. Uh-oh, look at that. The new firmware update has already fixed the issue where it drops to the ground after launch again. No hands, as they used to say, and it's staying put right where it should be. It's not dipping or dropping. Sometimes if it drops so much it would hit the ground. I mean, it's moving around slightly, but it's much better than it was before. So first, kudos to Hubsan. You fixed the drop at the beginning. So let's take her up. Okay, it's doing a return to home now. It's down to 22% battery life, and you can change the return to home altitude now. I changed it to 50 meters, so it went real high this time. And here it comes down. We're gonna see how she does, see if how close it gets to that pad. But return to home is working well with the new feature, being able to set the return to home height is working perfectly. Okay, she's coming down now. She looks like she's pretty close. Let's see if she can hit that landing pad, or I'll be happy with 2 feet on the landing pad. Not quite gonna make it. Not quite gonna make it. All right, we'll go measure how many feet off. Three and a half feet away from the landing pad after doing a 50-meter high return to home. So, you know, I'll take it. You know, remember, no optical flow sensors or downward facing cameras, so pretty good for pure GPS. So this was a successful test flight of the new firmware from you know, for the Hubsan Zino. Again, I'll put the number on the screen. And the gimbal pitch, you will see the smooth gimbal pitch in the video. So I'll see you on the next one.